closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way.
Today's new word by Vivan. Hello everyone, my name is Vivan Punia. I shine Purple. Today new word is joyful. Its English meaning is feeling and happiness, and Hindi meaning is बहुत खुशी और आनंद महसूस करना. Thank you. Have a nice day. Second new word by Adhiraj. Good morning everyone. My name is Adhiraj. I am a student of Pasupri. Today new word English meaning